Hi, this video is going to show you how to do a DIY repair of your Volvo 240 sun visor. The top sun visor is already completed, and the bottom sun visor you could see kind of looks like an empty bag. This is what my sun visors were like after years of sun damage. Now, the visors on the wagon are a little different from the visors on the sedan, and they're pretty hard to come by. So this video will show you one option for doing a repair. It came out well. I did this about a year ago, and they are still holding up. So the first step is, of course, to take down your sun visors and to clean them. Use your favorite degreaser, give it a good scrub before you start working. Then make a small slit near the mounting point, and with a sharp pair of scissors, carefully cut around the edge where the black vinyl meets the white vinyl. When you open up that sun visor, you should see all the disintegrated foam on the inside, and that's why it just looks like a hollow bag that kind of all just falls apart. After you cut that open, then you're going to take some foam, and this is just a rigid insulation board. You could buy a 2x2 foot handy board of this at Home Depot. You do have to take your time to shape it. I had to make it thinner. I had to carefully cut around the edges and sand it. It's very easy to work with, but this is a little bit like carving. You will have to make a little place for that middle rod to rest in. So just carve that away. Take your time. It's very cheap. You could you could practice. You could do more than one try. Once you get this to fit tightly back where the original foam used to be, we're going to take some hot glue, and we are going to secure it to the wire that's on the inside of the sun visor. And you could actually bend the foam to meet, because the sun visor has a little bit of a shape there, a little bit of a curve. You could bend the foam and then use the hot glue to tack it in place. Once you have that secured, you're going to take a contact adhesive like Gorilla Glue, and you're going to glue the vinyl down to the foam. And this will make it look nice and flat. And then finally, with this Loctite vinyl fabric and plastic adhesive, you can attach the two pieces of vinyl back together. And this adhesive works very well. This hasn't come undone in over a year. I just used a little blue tape to secure it, and then basically you're done.